I bought a motor, a OM366A. No intercooler, so the turbo going straight in. What I've heard is that that should be the light version for conversion. Otherwise, gearboxes and axles and everything has to be in line with an even bigger engine. I absolutely had no idea more than that when I bought it. Should be the same engine family. So it looks like we can take the Unimog adapted engine mount for the front and just disassemble from all the stuff that's already on the engine, like the servo pump and the compressor. So just be clean frame and bolted on there. It might be full of surprises, don't know, but visually it looks the same. I want to go for the clutch that is already on that engine, flywheel, pressure plate, everything. But I also need the bell housing to fit there. So I don't know, adapter, small aluminum ring adapter plate, or searching the internet if maybe the Unimogs, the 366A engines that were mounted in Unimogs have the correct bell housing, have something else. Different flywheel, different clutch, I don't know. So I'll get this one off so we can see the splines and see if we're even remotely close. Just to be looking at it like this, from my point of view, it looks identical in the center. Looking at it, it looks really simple, just getting that bell house on that engine. And then we have the engine mounts, no CNC, no CAD, no nothing. Fix that one in the front and just done. I'll ask David for some advice. My German friend who is working with machines and he's machining and he's doing all sorts of stuff. And building a race truck for Preston Breslau. So I think I will ask him. So, been talking to David, and he is just a star. He found out that bell housing on that engine was actually an option on the U1700 with a 330mm clutch. So that's what we're doing. We're going to move that bell house over to that engine. We are actually going to have a new flywheel, and that's for extra protection. And also being sure that the new pressure plate for the 330mm clutch plate will work. Let's rip it out, get everything off, clean, maybe even go the extra mile to paint it, but don't think so. So let's start moving parts around. needs to be high pressure washed. I'm done for today. There's no such thing as just quickly wash it. I am soaking wet. Okay, so we got the pedal thingy over on this engine. I kept this one original from this engine, made a new point for mounting it, and now we're gonna clear the threads in these holes and get the housing on. So the center bearing for clutch, axle, or whatever, you know what I'm talking about. This one is completely seized, so I thought it could be a brass bushing, so I grinded a little bit on it, and it's pure metal, so it's completely seized. Clutch, the fiber disc thingy from Offroad. Oh, nice and new. Yeah, it's like double, and it's the same. It will fit. It's the correct one. Brakes. Yep, identical, yes, but with less mud on it. New pins, new springs, new anti-vibration for all of the calipers. And this is an eBay purchase. It seemed like humongous. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So one of these are the front and the other one is the back.
Okay.
And then we have from Mog Parts in Germany. Lovely, really nice new flywheel. The other one had dimples in it and burnt parts, and this should be the pressure plate. New and fresh springs and super nice surface. So, if I would have been looking for the seized bearing in the week, we could have had everything on. Good stuff. we actually found something that is broken for the generator. And we also need to buy a new generator. This is a 24 volt. I want a huge 12 volt. So the bracket for the generator, the bushings were completely gone. This one, thought about just cutting it, and then we put the nuts up here instead. Not sure if you can see that, but it doesn't correlate. There's a further distance between these two holes and all the rest.
Just got done with putting on the ice. Yeah.
Fixed it like this. That will at least prevent it from turning around. So we have 30 degrees between the bolts. We're really close to that one. So 30, 60, 90. This is like quite extreme. I need to go there. Yeah, that doesn't work at all. 30, 60. Yeah.